Math, Module 5, Lesson 11. I can find the area of rectangles with mixed by mixed and fraction by fraction side lengths by tiling, record by drawing, and relate to fraction multiplication. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. Good luck! So here is the list of work you will be doing today. This is not the first day we've done area. It's just been a little over a week since we last did it. So I'm going back a few lessons just to get us rethinking about area with fractions. So make sure you are on task and you are working really hard. I want a great report. Once you sign into Schoology, you're going to go to Courses in Math. Then on our left, we're going to click on Play Pause It, formerly known as Educanon. Then you should have this window pop up. You're going to click Approve. It's just giving Play Pause It access. Then you're going to find 5th-Math Coval. Yours will have only 3 options. Then you're going to scroll down to Math Module 5, Lesson 11. It will also say Monday, May 7th, 2018. Click on that, please. So then the video appears in your workbook on the concept development pages as well as the problem set page, the first one. There's 2. You're using both the first page of problem set and the concept development, and you'll probably even have to use the back of the concept development page because every single thing I do in the video, shocking, you're going to be doing in your workbook. You also will have to answer some questions throughout the video. You must answer them. So if you are one of them that we've had before, that you aren't answering all of the questions asked of you, or you're not actually trying, I'll see you tomorrow at recess. Because if you're going to waste my time, I am going to waste yours. Make me proud. This is not new. We're going to be learning the distributive property, breaking the whole numbers from the fractional parts and solving to find area, but also converting to improper fractions and then finding area using the traditional formula. So you're learning it 2 different ways to find area. Either way is correct, but during the concept development, you're practicing both. Then for the rest of the problem set and your homework, you can choose which one makes the most sense to you. Refer back to your notes if you need help. But remember, this is not new. So pay extra attention if you don't remember this, because that tells me we probably weren't actively engaged last time. Make me proud. Good luck.